What's up, YouTube? So I'm back from South Korea after 9 months. I am finally about to install these Kindigit door handles on my El Camino. I did the driver's side, but now I'm about to do the passenger side. Passenger side, I'm gonna give full detail and what to do and what not to do. The mistakes I made while doing the driver's side. Step 1, remove the door handle. So the door handle is removed now. So what I did next was I made the template for the Kindigit door handle. So the template is made. So what I need to do now is I need to clear probably about a 16th to the 8th all around this template. That way you can see a portion of this well too, all the way around. So I'm about to finalize this template and get back with you guys. Okay, so I have the template pretty much finalized. So I have my welding gap where I'm gonna weld onto the door handle, as you can see. So next step is to take off the paint off the door. Alright, template is cut out, trimmed out to size. It's mocked up on the door. So the way I have it is, this is about 3/4 inch right here, and I line this up right where the door handles begin. I bring it forward about 3/4 inch because on the other side, when I try to follow the proper instructions, it's too close to the door, so I had to bring it forward some to clear it. It's too close to the end of the door jamb, so I had to bring it forward some to clear it. Okay, so I have everything test fitted, held up with magnets. I'm running a couple of tacks in it to make sure it's fit properly. Yeah, it's going a whole lot better than the driver's side did. So I got the template tacked into the door. Now I need to test fit the handle base, and then after the test fit it, mark it up, weld it in. Okay, so reading is fundamental. This is where I fucked up at on the driver's side. So you see it's all pictures, right? And then if you look at this picture, it's on the top of the handle of this base, right? But if you read up here, it says, right, install on bottom of surround surface to move latch downwards, right? So on the G bodies El Camino, right, the latch moved downward. I put the driver's side on the top. It's still a little hot. I put it up here. So in order for me to fix it, right, I had to cut the hole out right here. I had to get a die grinder and grind it from this side. I don't know if you can see it there, and then let me get a pen or a screwdriver. So I had to grind it from there and then angle it in here and grind it from this angle. Then I had to get me a piece of wood that's 1/2 inch wide, put in there as a spacer, then weld it back up. So I have to fix this door because I failed to read the instructions properly. Alright, so now I have the door base in. Everything's all tacked up, so I'm about to finish tacking this in and weld her up. So this side here is coming out 10 times better than the other side did. Don't mind the metal. I'm trying to weld that thin metal against that thick metal. But however, I'm happy with the progress. So I have most of the welds knocked down. The important thing is I have the door handle installed and operational. See? Yeah, this shit is not for the weak heart. A lot of trial and error, learning process for myself. I am not a welder and I'm not a professional body man. I learn on my own, I teach myself, and I learn from my mistakes. But this is how I did the Kindigit door handles.